Hello friends, I'm going to change the chain pad. As you can see, the old pad was worn out and I throw it. I'll show you the pictures in which you can see. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Please do support the channel and effort to make these knowledgeable videos for you. Thanks a lot again for your support. Enjoy the video, guys. This is a lifetime chain pad. This material is very rigid, not gonna break. As you can see here, these are the washers. The original one are like this, joint, like this shape. I cut one of his part and made it like this. See, bye guys, I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. I know so many people don't subscribe the channel, so please do. Thanks a lot.